Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, ooh, never panic. Little worry, send it up and then advantage. I can't stand it. I don't know the way you move and see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. God's plan, I don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, won't stop.
Good morning all. Yes, sir. Hope everyone is good. Hope everyone is well. Happy Thursday. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got going on today in the markets here. Pre-NFP day. Tomorrow's NFP day, and yeah, let's see what's happening with everything. Morning. Start off on the calendar though first. Want to see what's going on for Thursday. Unemployment claims. They're expecting it to come back pretty much same as last time. 215k. Obviously, if we have higher unemployment, how is that going to affect the market? What we're going to see is if unemployment goes higher, means that there's probably going to be a bit of a higher chance to see rate cuts. So we'll see gold move bullish. If unemployment come back lower, we'll probably see gold hang around in this range. Yeah, that's probably what's going to happen. We have a bit of ECB speeches. London pretty clean here throughout the session here. And then tomorrow is NFP. So NFP numbers actually massive, 58 they're expecting. I mean, last time they got it totally wrong. But they're expecting employment to come completely low. If it does come low and we see unemployment rate tick up here, we could potentially see some gold push up bullish. So let's see what we got going on the charts overall though. We want to see what's going on there. Before we do that, I want to see if there's anything interesting we have on the menu. Let's see. Yeah, this might be an interesting one to read. I want to read this today. Spurs said, I'm losing it. I've been trading for 3 years. I've been trying a lot of different stuff in my pursuit for profitability. I've gone through all the strategies and honestly, I started off as a gambler. Then I realized quickly that wasn't going to work out. So I started chasing consistency. To be honest, my psychology is now great as I don't find myself making psychological errors. Every now and then, I used to in the past. But the thing is, I'm still not profitable. So the reason I'm not profitable, okay, so he's going to state his reason, let's see. So the reason I'm not profitable is because of my psychology or poor risk management. But it's about my edge, not because of his. Every time I think I found the key to the markets, I swear the market somewhat changes the lock. Every time I say, oh yes, I found my aha moment, the market will be like, I'll get back to you on that. And honestly, I'm getting tired because all of these failed edges. And no, it's not about data collection. I always collect a whole lot of data before I can figure out whether I have an edge or not. But the edge soon crumbles and I'm left surprised. Is anyone going through this who has sustained edges to last long enough to pass even a funded account? How do you do it? Would love to hear. It's a bit interesting this because he contradicts himself, right? He speaks about how he feels like he's over the hill, but it's not. So he's only been trading 3 years. But he is complaining that all of his edges are failing. So the thing is in 3 years, you can't test more than 3 edges. You need a year of data, live trading to properly say that your edge is working, right? So probably the minute he goes in a losing streak, he quits the edge. And he's probably learning from YouTube and just watching videos. Like, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to be able to trade, guys. All these guys on the internet trying to make you seem like you need to be a rocket scientist. It's not the case. You just need to have basic core fundamentals that are not taught to you in day-to-day life. They do not teach you to be your own boss. They do not teach you to manage your own emotions. So those two things are very difficult. The logic of a strategy is just layers. It comes with experience. It's not rocket scientists. We're waiting for freaking candles to close above, below a zone, bullish or bearish, and taking buys and sells off that. It's really not that difficult. Well, my strategy, right? And it works. The difficult part is being able to do that on a day-to-day basis and not pressing the button when you want to press the button as an excuse. So this is why he's losing it. So I wonder if anyone said that's very bad advice. Open range breakouts never change. Very bad advice. 3 to 5 gains. Remove emotions. You may find your edge already works. Yeah, this is all really bad advice. Really bad advice. So, let's have a look at what the market is doing today. This is an amazing sell, man. Holy crap. That's one of the prettiest setups I've seen the whole day today. That one is really nice. I really wish... don't know why our session just comes into such a difficult place, you know? This is beautiful. Like, this is close your eyes and take sell, you know? Close below, top wick, nice one, full LTA to the left, smooth running. How much does this give you risk to reward wise? Let's have a look. 1 to 3? Wow, that's nice. Probably would target the 4-hour support, so like a 1 to 1.7. That's a realistic target, and then start to trail. Oh, trailing is easy here as well. This is 1 minute, so you probably get in till this first bullish 1 minute candle, which is 1 to 2.5. That's very nice. Very nice setup that. So let's see what's happening now on the charts overall, though, and see what we can do with price at the moment. So daily time frame here. Yesterday's daily candle is closing bullish, creating a support here. We didn't close back inside of the daily range, if you notice, but doesn't mean that that's automatically a full red flag. It's just something that we need to keep into consideration, that we're not breaking daily high, not closing back in daily range. 4-hour time frame is closing bearish, but respecting 4-hour support. We could possibly look to make our way towards this type of high here, and then see what happens at this high here. We're going to leave that high in and see what happens with that. At the moment, we're in a very tough spot because we are approaching back towards the previous range there. 30-minute has bounced already, so we're retesting the range that we tested already. Yeah, this is like one of the most difficult spots to be in because you're getting... yeah, it's a very tough spot to be in again today. Reason I'm saying that is because we need to be realistic and logical. We have tapped 4-hour support, so targets are tapped towards the downside, and we do not have range towards the upside, right? So we've tapped our targets towards the downside. These are all being tested already. It's not like we have this clean zone to trade. We've already tested it. We've reacted off it, and now we're moving towards the upside, continuing what? Continuing bullish, right? So, and basically at our range. So, but there's also no change of structure. Yeah, but you can, since we're mixed bias, you can just take this beautiful setup 2 here, or you take the setup 1 here. So this is really, really, really nice price action before the session, leaving us with the scraps here. So we need to be very careful what we do with this. Otherwise, we're going to end up in a very tricky scenario where we don't know what price wants to do. So let's see, do we create change of structure for downside and we try again to hit some downside? That is fine. But again, since we hit target, could fail and be a higher low. We don't know. We need to probably tap the 4-hour here and then see what's up. Right? So we tap the 4-hour and then we see what's up. I think that's going to be the smart idea here. If we're looking at DAX for today, just have a look at what DAX is doing overall. Daily time frame here on DAX closing nicely bullish. It's actually a very nice bullish daily candle close. 4-hour time frame creating a resistance, but I see this more as a potential higher low. We could possibly make our way towards the upside if we start to break through this type of resistance here. Let's check what this is. 1-hour resistance. Let's put it there. See how this starts to form. Okay, so we have something here next to it. Yeah, so we have just this bullish candle here. Interesting. Lower high, lower low. We want to also see a change of structure here. Something like that, then get it back above here. Maybe we can buy from the pullback that allows us to take the upside. Something like that. That would be quite nice. Straight 5-minute candles bullish here. It's going to be a little bit tough. If we do get a change of structure up here, maybe sells could make sense. Yeah, it's a tough one to sell as well. with that 1 hour bullish. So I want to see more price action develop into that. NASDAQ, let's have a look at NASDAQ here. So NASDAQ for now, dumped down here, got retraced immediately. Previous daily closing bullish here. Very nice bullish daily candle. Retested previous daily structure. 4 hour time frame as well. Very heavy moves up here. So ideally this should be, you know, a support to continue up bullish here. If we can clear this 1 hour, I feel like we can get some more buys. Now the sells to make sense. Let's see what this 4 hour. Cross through that one twice now. We can delete that 4 hour. Probably bring the 1 hour actually. Change of structure, we could take sells, exactly what happened here. I want to see the same setup. Look at this setup here. Come up here, form a support, change structure, then the downside comes. I want to see same thing here. If not, then we're just going to be buying above these highs once structure is created. Leave the 1 hour, we start to work our way towards the upside back into this 4 hour here. So structure creation, close above, we look for buys. That's pretty much it. Let's see what GJ ranges are like today. Yeah, that's a tough zone to sell. Be a bit more bullish on GJ. NAS looks promising. Yeah, let's see if we will get the structure. Probably have bearish bias on GJ, which is not nice. Let's keep an eye, just see how it develops. Maybe we get back into it. Also mixed buys here, very similar to gold scenario, but we have a little bit more range on silver. If silver can pull back, we can look for buys as well from the pullback. So that's pretty much the analysis here. We just need a little bit of direction to be given into the market here. Then we can do something with that, and then you know, profit from it. Bro, I'm broke for more than. Bro, I'm broke more than how can you estimate it? Whoa. Bro, I am broke more than how you can estimate it. I have spent 2 years, but now I don't have 1 cent. Get a job, brother. You need a job. You need a job, man. Get out there, clean cars, sweep streets. You need a job. Don't have a cent, you're a broke guy, man. You need to get your finger out your ass and get a job. It's the only way, man. Trading ain't gonna be your ticket out if you don't have money to start, man. You need something. Something, bro. You can't have zero money and start trading. You can learn trading, 100%. You can learn, get involved in it, understand it. But if you don't have a dollar to your name, there's no business in this world you can start except for working as a job, right? You need something, man, something. You need money to buy a phone to make content. You need anything, even if you want, you know, you need something. You're homeless at the moment. So you need to focus, bro. You need to focus. You have an internet connection and a phone, I can see, because you're texting here. So maybe you need to prioritize selling a phone. You know? Sell your phone, get just like a Nokia, old Nokia, and then go do some work with that. Stock market will go up. That means the market like... no, it doesn't work like that. He could also do affiliate marketing, maybe for TS exclusive. So many opportunities. Yeah, there's so many ways he could just... But he needs to make income first. Bro, you changed the way I trade. Thank you so much. Amazing, man. Appreciate you showing up. Harry, could you check Geo? It's kind of tempting for sells. Send me your plan. Have you sent your plan? Can I see it? Want to see why you think it's tempting for sells? Daily support is tapped. We have previous daily bullish. 4-hour support as well. We're sitting at 4-hour support. Could bounce here as well. Could bounce as well. You know, you have to be careful with the sells. We've tapped a lot of major targets. We're not up here like before. We're not here as well. We've already tapped the targets. So yeah, if you do create a resistance, you could try, but just keep that in mind, you know? You don't want to be caught out. So gold rejecting here again. I want to see at least a 5 change of structure before taking sells. Because we tap target here as well. Harry, how's the situation out there? Family still safe? Thank you. Yeah, I mean, they really hit harder here than I would have expected of what they've sent here. The job that they've done here has been amazing. The amount of drones that have come here is insane. 943 drones. Crazy, man. Crazy amount of drones that they've sent over us. You know, that's what I find pretty insane, the amount of drones and the amount of jets you hear flying to intercept these drones is so much. Yesterday even I heard a few drones flying around. They sound like pretty scary. Sound like a really shitty loud motorcycle. That's how they sound. How many drones have been attacked? I think they've only 10 have landed on targeted areas. You have to keep in mind it's targeted areas. It's not public areas. Where are you? I'm in Dubai. So they've done an amazing job. Dubai is running as normal. Buys on gold on the 1 hour? Nothing, man. Buys are done, bro. We're all full late. Done. What are you going to do, bro? You're going to run this stop loss here? 500 pip stop loss? Four-hour range. You're going to trade inside a 4-hour range with a 500 pip stop loss? They say it's a scrap drone, but it's not very high quality. Yeah, but... that's the problem, you know, is that they can still do damage, man. They're carrying a, you know, explosive. They have done damage. SL on 15, what? Protected by nothing? Take it, bro. Take it. No problem. Take it if you want to, but you look at what you're taking. Be logical. I'm an FPV drone pilot. Yeah, of course, man. Yeah, they would be a bit cautious about that. Better than some idiot on the first day of the freaking thing going off and having missiles intercepted. Man thought it was a good idea to start letting off firework rockets himself. That's a dumbass. What do you want me to check in Asian session, bro? See if there's any options. Many options, bro. Right here, market open, 5-minute scalp. This one. Aggressive option towards the highs. The biggest one was pre-London. This sell here, super easy sell. This was the biggest. Here we just ranged here, 430, 530, range. Boom, breakout buy. You can take here, get to the 4 hours, see what happens. Hold the stop loss. Closed above the 4 hours, so you're fine to hold. Target next level, boom, hit TP. So that's a nice one there. Asian session, bigger stop loss. Have to hold drawdown though, so that one's good. If you're a seller in Asian session, for me this is too early to sell. I wouldn't take it, but this sell here, absolutely perfect. Perfect sell. Doesn't get more easier than that. But that's late, man. That's late. Bro, I'm on Top Step. Is there a way to connect it to TradingView? No. There's not. There is not. Top Step operator on one thing. Guys, today's a giveaway stream. We're gonna be giving away some funded accounts today. We're gonna do 2. If we reach the viewer count of 450 viewers, we're gonna be giving away 2 funded accounts today on stream. So all the guys watching stream, so do what you can to support. I'll put the announcement here. Maybe leave a like or something. Why you always give away free stuff when I'm not here? You're here, bro, so shut up. All right. What does it take to win? I'll be super simple. I will just write a code, like I'll make a keyword on chat and you guys will type it on chat and you guys will automatically be entered. So it will be nice and simple. Just for like 10 more minutes. I'm on a work trip. Okay, we will pause it next time. In the group today, I'm also doing a giveaway, by the way, and that you can enter at any time. All you have to do is apply in the group. Maybe write in the title giveaway. Yeah, we could try that as well. Bro, I have $200. I want to start small account, but trading with you. Please give advice how to divide the funds. I think the best way is, depends on your level. If you have a strategy and you're a good trader, then you can just deposit and start trading. But if you need to become a good trader, then I'd recommend taking $75, invest that for a month of education, trade with us while you are learning, make that money back, and then continue as usual, man. Continue as usual. That would be the best way. How do we apply? On Discord? Yeah, on Discord, you guys, I'll show you. It's very simple. It will come in the giveaway tab we have on Discord. See this giveaway tab? And then you just have to follow the instructions. It normally looks like this. It's like you press a button, press this button to participate. That's how they do it. All right, so I would love to see a 5-minute candle close below here in about 3 minutes so we get a break of structure here. I would like to see a break of structure before selling NASDAQ because we've tapped this daily. That is important for me. We're also counter trend trading a 1-hour time frame. I don't really like to do this type of stuff. So I need that extra confirmation. If I'm not going to get that extra confirmation, All right, I'll just leave it, I guess. Because I really feel like this type of market condition right now is super risky. Gold as well, same bearish candle close here, no change of structure. 5 still has bullish structure. So I'm staying out of gold myself for now. We have a very strong 1 hour candle close. 30-minute hasn't closed bearish. We've tapped target towards the downside. So we've reached our target for the day. 115-minute candle could be a pullback to continue bullish. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Lobsters, yes sir. 1 hour look nasty on NAS. Yeah, that's why I want at least this extra 5 confirmation, right? At least we have something on the 5. That 1 minute looks very nasty as well. Oh, look at that 1 minute. Yeah, that looks super nasty, that 1 minute. What happened in Telegram giveaway? Did I not update the winners on the Telegram? They were DM'd. Yeah, Telegram giveaways winners were DM'd. If you press the button and you participated, then the winners were DM'd. We don't put public names on Telegram. The reason we don't put public people's names on Telegram is because we have obviously scammers who are going to DM and tell them, hey, you won the giveaway, click this link, you know what I mean? So we don't want to dox people's names. Because we keep the group so you can't even see the members. Because that's what happens on Discord sometimes, right? People DM and stuff like that. So we don't want to dox the thing, but I should have wrote a message saying that giveaway winners were selected. But on YouTube, it's easy because on YouTube, no one can really DM you. All right, 23 seconds. Let's see how this 5 closes. Get this 1 minute here. We need a strong 5 close. Not really giving me the most confidence, this 5. Let's see how it closes though. Still 8 seconds left. Oh. Closing above. So let's see. There we go. So it did close above here. I do want something below. I do want something below. Yeah. I'm gonna wait. Even if it ends up being a candle that's slightly deeper. Like that. That's okay for me. Because I can just sell like this. Stop loss above here. So I just need that confirmation that we're clearing this zone and we're not going to get a fake out. Buys would also make sense. They wouldn't make sense right here, but they would make sense above here. Yeah, that's why I don't want to sell too fast, because we're in this really tough zone coming to London. Because we could bounce here, make a higher low. Next candles end up doing what? Closing above, something like this. We get this close like this. Next candle then tries to close above and we get the continuation towards upside. We start to become buyers. That's the problem we have. Same thing what's happening on gold, right? This is what I talked about gold. Still 5 bullish structure. So we need to see a change of structure first on gold. The same change of structure I want on NASDAQ. Can you check silver? Yeah, we analyzed silver in the morning. So if you want to see the analysis, check that. Yeah, similar to what gold is doing, but no change of structure as well. You need a change of structure because otherwise it could just... Silver could be nice for potential buys, to be honest. We could end up going down, creating a support, take buys, or buys above this yellow line I have here. Cheers, Mirko. How do I pay, bro? Do I get accepted same time? Yes, I will accept you. So let's see how gold wants to form here, because the gold can take its time and change structure, you know. Gold can take its time and change structure. We can take sells. DAX is a bit stuck. We got the keyword yet? We have to hit 450 viewers. When we hit 450 viewers, we will trigger the giveaway. I'll tell you guys the keyword. You will not miss it. Trust me, you will not miss it. But we need to hit that goal. We're close. About 50, 60 people. Just avoided a mess on NQ? Yes. Did it just retrace heavy? Yeah. That's what I mean, right? We need that change of structure. Like that one candle we're waiting for making the difference, right? This is exactly what I was scared about. So a lot of people always telling me, bro, take trades, take trades, take trades. I can take trades, but if you guys want to lose your ass, we can do that, you know? Like there is some truth to the madness. We just have to be careful. These market conditions that we've had, the past few London sessions and New York sessions actually, have not been too rewarding. So we might be ending up taking buys in the next 6 minutes, huh? Could close above here, we start going for buys. Those people taking 20 trades a day and ending even, I did that. Yeah, I did that too. And the problem was I was really stressed. It satisfied me to press the button, but try press that button every time with $1,000, you know? Like if you have a bad day, you're down 20 grand, huh? You're down 15 grand. You know what I mean? And your psychology is ruined. It's just heavy. It's really heavy for long-term sustainability. The hardest thing is being satisfied without touching nothing. Yeah, but you're not going to be satisfied. I'm not satisfied if I don't get a trade. It sucks, but you just learn to live with not being satisfied because we're here to trade different days. This is not your day where you have to be the #1 trader in the world, you know? Today is not the day where you have to be the #1 trader in the world. Every day is where you have to just do your best to make a profit. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, do so. Would appreciate to have you guys on there, can view the stories and stuff like that. Have you tried Vantage web terminal? Yeah, I tried their Vantage web terminal. I still do feel there's an advantage on MT5. It's not bad, but still an advantage on MT5. What do you think of sells from 51.73? 51.73. Yeah, I mean, we're basically there already. Okay, let's do it. Where do I go from here? Just from the website, man. Here's the website. Click that join now and everything is sorted for you, bro. BTC update. We could update BTC in a minute. I just want to concentrate on what's happening here. I don't want to miss any information here. 3 minutes. We have this candle closing. I want to see how we close, what we do. I'm very glad we didn't I wasn't like just FOMO that I need to take a trade and just said, okay, I'm going to ignore waiting for a close. Because at the same time, this could be frustrating, right? We break the low and just fly down. And then you think to yourself, man, maybe I overthought it. Maybe I just should have trusted the 15-minute candle closing bearish. But you're wrong, because if you said that from the beginning, then you would have just taken the trade like that from the beginning. But look what we have here, right? Look what we have. We have no retest to previous 1 hour. We have 15 is testing basically nothing. We have no 5 change of structure, which we wanted. And we're also bouncing from a zone. Look at this 1 hour, huge liquidity candle on the 1 hour. That can potentially flip and continue bullish. It's a shitty 1 hour range. So do I really want to be a seller this early? No 30-minute candle close, no 5-minute change of structure, fighting a 1-hour candle with a liquidity grab. No, not really, without having a little bit extra confirmation, right? Once we get that, then it's good. We have 400 people in here, 412 people. We're very close to the giveaway. About 37 more people to join the stream. And yeah, we'll do the giveaway for you guys. 2 funded accounts. The funded company will depend on what country you're in, right? So some people I know do not have access to certain companies. So if you win the giveaway and you're from a country that does not have access, then I will change what company, right? I will change what company. I was on the phone. What do I have to do on Insta to win? Everyone is eligible. It will be on YouTube. You'll just type a name. Gold and Nas look same for the past 15-20 minutes. Yeah, they are following each other a bit. Yes. Everyone is eligible. Just once we reach 450 viewers, we'll do it. We will do it. Just need to be following my Instagram. That's it. Go, go, go. Yeah, tomorrow, or maybe we can do a quiz today as well on stream. Quiz will be fun on stream. I got a question. What's your question? $429 viewers we just hit now. You guys, yeah, we might hit it now. Is someone gay if they have more than 7 pairs of shoes? Pairs of shoes. No. I have quite a few pairs of shoes as well. Right, so NASDAQ candle close coming here. We're not closing above. This is not bad because we can make some structure and close above. Do I want to take this on a 5 close above? We'll have to see at the time what type of structure we have there. If we have structure, then boom, we can do it. I'm sharing it to my friends to get more views. No need to do that. Bro, you're decreasing our chance to win if 450 people rather than 400. No, we just have to hit that. Plus, I do giveaways every month, man. So there's a lot of chances. I've given away so much money on this stream over the past few years. Thousands and thousands. I'm new to trading. I was profitable in my first day. Then I placed an order on Vantage without realizing it was on 0.1, not 0.01. I was $100 luckily. Yeah, you need to be careful about that, right? Oh, I want to update a new feature Vantage has. This is something very cool. Okay, so this is why I like to work with bigger brokers. I know some of you won't be happy with this news, but what they're doing is when there's a major news event, 5 minutes before the news event and 5 minutes after the news event, if you place a position within those times, they are reducing leverage. So if you normally have 1 to 500 leverage, they're reducing to 1 to 200 leverage. They do this for 2 reasons. To protect you guys from losing full accounts and gambling. And the second reason is to protect them from abusers, news abusers. Okay, so that's just a little update they wanted people to share. I personally think it's a good idea, if you ask me. And still, 1 to 200 leverage is too much. You can still blow your account on news with that much leverage. Okay, let's do it now. Where do I go from here? I sent you the link, bro. I sent you the link on the website. You just join. Yo, Joe, catching some sun. I can see. Very good. Trump was doing inside trading on Vantage. Supposed to be traveling tomorrow. Damn. Marshy and the Sun can't wait for that in London. Brother, you'll have to wait a long time. Brother, forget the money. Lifetime membership in your class more valuable to me. Then join the 5-month, bro. What are you waiting for? No need to pay lifetime. You can get it for way cheaper and a one-on-one session, bro. Don't know why you're waiting for lifetime. Just pay that. You think trading will exist forever? Yeah, there is definitely a case that there'll always be some form of trading. Here's the link, bro. You keep asking. Just press. It's the last time I'll send it. Oh, we reached 151 viewers. Okay, so I guess we have to do the giveaway then. We hit it. I saw it. Even though now we're not at it, but we did hit. So I'm gonna be true to my word. All right, 2 funded account giveaways. We're gonna do the first one now. Unless there's a setup that's cooking, let me just double check. And then the second one we'll do end of stream, okay? That is gonna be it. So let me just double check because I'm gonna be spending money now to be giving people funded accounts. I don't wanna be, so I need to be making sure that I can make that money back. Don't wanna be spending too much money and then not making it back. So this 10 minutes for this candle to close here. 5-minute candle here will close 48 seconds, but now we have a bullish 15-minute candle here. So I'm not gonna trust this 5-minute candle, no 1-minute structure as well. Yeah, so I'm not taking the sell on that. So the first, let me bring it up. Let me set up the stream. All right. So what we can do for the giveaway is we can do either a random number. I select the number and whoever gets the number correct wins, or the keyword. What do we want? We want keyword or we want random number? Which one, boys? Keyword or random number? Seeing more keyword, number, keyword. Keyword. Bro, it's like 50-50. Yeah, okay, we have to do one of each. So let's do keyword first and then end of stream we'll do number. Okay, so I'm gonna type the keyword. Who can participate? Yeah, everyone can participate. Last time we did lobster. Should we do lobster again? Guys, you have to enter once. If you spam, I might remove spammers. If I click this, you guys will be not entered, So I'm gonna say this. You guys can only type it once. So I'm gonna, if you spam, you're gonna be removed from the giveaway. Right? Regular viewer, I am going to, if you're a viewer, regular viewer, your luck is times by 5x. If you're a regular, if you're a subscriber, your luck is timed by 7x for all subscribers. Actually, no, 5x for a subscriber, 5x luck subscriber, 7x luck for regular viewer. If you're a regular viewer, you will have 7x luck. I don't have you VIP. So now let's do all these people I entered right now. 44 entries, all these people. See, if you're spamming, guys, you get knocked out. If you're spamming, you get knocked out. Don't spam. Type it once. Type it once. Remember, if you're a regular viewer on YouTube, 7x luck, man. That's a lot. So you have 7 entries. 7 entries.
You should have used an Yugi.
Good luck to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Alright, I'll give you guys a little bit. You didn't make this fun? Fuck you, Peter. Go kick rocks, bro.
Go dive rocks, man.
Go kick rocks. Joking, bro. Don't cry. Don't cry. Alright, I'm gonna select a winner soon, guys. So quickly type. I'm gonna select a winner in the next 30 seconds. So we don't drag this on and we can get back to trading. Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Rocket launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choose a winner. There we go. Daniel Sobert, can you type a message right now? If you are the winner, Mr. Daniel. Or Dennis, sorry, I'm reading stupid. Mr. Dennis, write something in chat right now. Waiting for the message. Oh, there we go. He replied. He replied. Amazing. DM me on Instagram and we will verify your YouTube account. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. You had my Instagram link. You DM me there. We will verify your account since we have it. If you're someone who's going to make a fake account with his name, it will not work because we have this verification system that we use. And there we go. So congrats. If you didn't win, end of stream, one more. Plus, we do this often. So be sure you're subscribed because remember, subscriber has 7x luck. If you're a subscriber and a regular viewer, subscriber's 5x luck. Regular viewer, next giveaway, I'm increasing to 10x. Make it more interesting, right? Because that's the guys who should win, right? The guys who view regularly. I believe so. You know? I believe so. So yeah, congrats. Alright, let's see now if I can make this money back that I just spent giving away these challenges. That's more important to me. Honestly. So 4 minutes for this gold candle to close. I want to see if we can close bearish here. Give us a little bit change of structure. Exactly what we wanted. So let's see here, 3 minutes for this candle. Rejecting 60 key level, yeah, but we need to close below anyways, right? I like as well, this Dennis, this guy watches the channel quite a lot actually. I've seen him watch the channel quite a lot. So take your time, man. Take your time. NASDAQ as well. Apparently we are making our way. Yeah, NASDAQ potentially as well. Oh, it would be beautiful with the 5 as well closing below. What the fuck? I feel your tip, lobster. Can you take your field tip, lobster? What? I don't know if that's a sus thing or what is that. I don't know what's going on, but I'm not gonna get involved with that right now. Gold, what are we doing, gold? We're just gonna reject now? Come on, don't be boring, man. Send us in one direction, don't go sideways. You can put indicators so I can learn. Indicators won't help you, bro. Is there any prop firms you recommend for beginners? Sorry to break it to you, prop firms are not for beginners, my friends. Prop firms are not for beginners. Practice is for beginners. Small accounts, low risk, that is for beginners. Prop firms is when you know what to do, bro. You know? Learning from people, mentorship, that's all for beginners. That's the stage you're at. Even advanced people. One minute, we can still close below here. Did I miss Delirious? No, we haven't. Delirious hasn't come on today. He's worried if he missed Delirious. Which condition do you take impulse entries? I'm not the biggest fan of impulsive entries because there's no confirmation. So if I just lose, it's gonna be really difficult, you know? So I'm not the biggest fan. Only time I'll take some form of impulsive entry would be at New York Stock Exchange open. Alright, 50 seconds. Can we close below? This is also not the 30 close. We already had the 30 close doji. We can maybe get away with a 5-minute candle closing bearish. I don't know, but I want to see a close below. Last 40 seconds. Can we get some juice and actually close below? Come on, gold. Show us your direction. Are we going down? Are we going up? We're going sideways? What are we doing? Make your mind up now. Up. It's trying to close. We'll need to cross-check on broker as well if it closes below. We are trying to get below. So I need a top wick, then I'll be looking to enter a break of low if we can sustain this close below here. So no top wick just yet. Alright, so we did make a top wick here on broker, I just noticed. It's a little bit low. I kind of missed my entry at the moment. Maybe you can pop up a little bit. There we go. So now if it reflips, yeah, that's what I love to see. See? Don't FOMO in. If it reflips, breaks the low, a little bit lower somewhere here, we'll be attempting a short. So let's see. What a bounce, huh? What a bounce. This is great. If this shit flips right now, it's gonna be good for me. Just adjust my sell stop though. I don't know if I want to go re-break. I think I don't need to go re-break of previous low. Yeah, I'm thinking where to put my sell stop. I think I'll move it to there. Yeah, something like that. Maybe a little bit lower. Yeah, so I placed it just here like this, just a little bit lower, you know? It's a little bit lower, not break of the current candle low, because after that top wick, if we flip, I don't expect it to, you know, reflip. So it's basically once we get through this 1 minute structure again. But hey, if we start continuing up and breaking high, I'll have to delete this sell stop. It's not going to make sense if we start leaving these highs. we have range, but I want to wait for more confirmation at that point, because in 2 minutes here we're gonna have a 5-minute candle close bullish. What's the promo code? There's no discounts for the exclusive group, bro. NAS also closing in 2 minutes. Shit, we have NAS forming as well. Yeah, maybe we take NAS. Yeah, NAS is well forming. We got 15 close below. 5-minute candle will close in about a minute. Yeah, maybe we take NAS here. Let's see how the 1 minute range looks. We're all stuck at this 1 minute range, huh? Yeah, we're gonna see NAS here as well. NAS in about a minute. Let's check NAS. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delete gold sell stop, guys. So I've deleted gold sell stop. It's too bullish, that. I want to wait for like a 5-minute candle close bearish. This is too bullish. Very strong 5-minute bullish candle close. I don't want to be. Yeah, it didn't really give us a good top wick just yet anyways. We saw here there was no good, so we always want that good top wick. So waiting, guys. Deleted the order. We will see how this 5-minute candle closes here. NASDAQ closed bullish here, so no sell on NASDAQ just yet for me. This zone is being held like a king, man. King. Super strong zone. Got my eyes on DAX. Let's see what DAX is going on here on DAX. What are you looking for DAX? Buy, sells. Sells? Yeah, same story. We're holding this 5 zone here. Very interesting today. Most markets moving together. There's a weekly on NQ. Let's have a look. Depends. It will actually be adjusted to here. This candle would come down because it's a gap. So... Guys, I'm thinking about taking a buy potentially from break of this high, huh? I'm thinking potentially taking a buy. This move will fake out. We're just failing every time we go down. Fail. We're also not getting upside continuation, but it's a tricky one, right? Because I can see the argument for both sides. So I'm just trying to see what information I have. A great information would be breaking this low here. If we can break this low and then start to retrace, I'll be more confident in that. Because honestly, 1 minute is kind of just consolidating, guys. Like, this is a shit. Like, this is start of London session. This is where we are now. Like, London's not been easy. We've been going sideways. So do I want to be caught up in that sideways and then get stopped out with a liquidity grab? Because we haven't grabbed liquidity below this low, right? Giveaway done? Yeah, first giveaway done. Next giveaway is going to be end of stream. Next giveaway is going to be end of stream. Well, just before we end the stream, because right now I'm concentrating on my trades. So yeah, first giveaway we did, second one towards end of stream. Very simple rules to enter. Just follow me on Instagram and watch the stream. If you are a regular viewer of the stream, you get 7x luck. I think next giveaway will increase it to 10x luck. Give people a chance to be regular viewers. And then you guys will have the 10x the chance to win. What time will stream end? Probably in around 30 minutes. You should stream NY session too. I stream NY session in the group, brother. In the private group, we stream NY session. We have daily NY session streams in the group. We even have Asian streams as well. Asian trading. The group is trading pretty much all sessions. No, not pretty much, is trading all sessions. Man, I'm also now a little bit interested on gold. I'm seeing gold other monitor trying to make its way back down now. We could get this close on gold now. Get the reflip of that 15. Huge top wick we have on the 15. Let's see in 49 seconds how this candle closes here. Might be able to re-enter the sell stop. Let's see how gold actually forms here. We could use current candle stop. Yeah, if we can make a top wick here and break this low here, the lowest low, this would be good. So we do have a top wick. I think I'll give it a shot. Break of this low. Stop loss above this candle high, which is current 15-minute candle high. We shouldn't need to break that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll show you on broker because it looks a bit different on broker. Here it's a little bit closer than it was on broker. So this is the first time we have the 1 minute candle closing below as well, which is why it interests me a little bit. Stop will be going back in the 1 minute range. So if we break that low, I feel like we have a chance to continue down and continue the sell idea. Nas close as well. Yeah, NASDAQ as well. Shit. Let's check Nas quickly. Yeah, NASDAQ did close the 5 below there, yeah. I don't think I have time to calculate. Still not triggered yet on gold. Nas is trying to play out at the moment. I don't have time to calculate maybe. Plus, you need to watch the 1 hour on Nas. Be very careful about the 1 hour on Nas. This one here. Nas is moving okay, better than what gold is doing. 22 for 14. Yeah, that's enough to get to break even. What about the 5? Yeah, you can keep an eye on that 5 as well. See what gold is doing. Not triggered yet on gold. Still waiting. Waiting. Great spelling. So yeah, this is why break of low is important here. London Open in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm not worried about London Open on gold. London Open will give me volume, right? Also, it will close the 1 hour bearish, man. It's really good. 1 hour would close bearish. 30 would close bearish again. 15 bearish again. I just needed to break these lows. So let's see what happens. Five-minute closing like this is not bad. I'm still gonna keep the order, but I need to see a top wick. If there's no top wick, I will delete the order. Top wick is important for me. Next candle needs to give top wick. Oh, it's closing strong last few seconds. If 15 closes back in the range, it's gonna be invalid, this trade, guys. 15 back in the ranges is invalid because we're closing back in the range. But maybe I can trust the 1 hour. Wow, we'll have to see. Becomes a very interesting scenario, this. We have 1 minute change of structure. Not making our life easy. I still have my sell stop active for now. That closed back in the range, huh? Yeah, that's back in the range. 1 hour did close bearish. Fuck, I need time to make a decision here. If we break these lows, could we get some downside? 30-minute closed bearish here. Okay. Even though 15-minute is back in the range, rejection from the high, we might still be okay because we still have 5-minute lower high structure. I feel like maybe I can still get away with this. We have 1 hour time frame closing bearish, right? So that's confirmation here. 1 hour time frame closing bearish, 30-minute time frame closing bearish. 15-minute time frame is still kind of doji. Yes, slightly close back in the range, but with a gap, it might not be considered. 5-minute time frame as well. Did not break structure on 5-minute time frame. Entry would be break of lowest low. Yeah, I think it's still valid to give this a shot here. Still valid to give this a shot. London open volume, I feel like maybe it's the only shot of the day. Didn't break yet. All right, now we're in. Let's see how it goes. See what happens if we tap this 5 minute here. That's my zone of interest here where I can potentially go break even. All right, we tapped that 5 minute there on broker as well. So that's your optional break even if you would like. So yeah, we have to be careful at this zone here because this is where it could bounce potentially. You can allow it to make 1 minute structure, manage as well, right? That is also another option you can take, but we have to be careful as well. This is where it can come back to entry here and start to reverse. It's totally possible. So if you want to keep it safe, keep it break even. That's kind of the rules for that. If you want to give it a chance to make structure, that's fine as well. So let's see what happens. Let's go gold, come on. New 5 minute candle here. We do need a little bit of 1 minute structure. Let's see if we can make the 1 minute structure and continue down. Delirious has to do it for us. Delirious has to do it for us. Stops at BE. Let's see if we can continue. Oh, that's a nice spike there. A little bit more. Come on. And out. Whoa, what a close, man. Look at that push. Nice, man. Nice, nice. 70 pip. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go. That's TP smash there. Crazy song. Crazy song. Wow, that's 80 pips there. No 1 minute pullback. Secure profits, guys. Secure profits. So nice. I'm out on that position. I closed my profits. I'm out on that position. Like I said, I took profits. So that's me done. I didn't take this on futures. I took this only on my Vantage account. Because I can't risk a lot on futures, right? I can only risk, how much is this? 50 pips stop with the 0.2 contracts. I can only risk, what is that? 100 bucks? Yeah, $100, man. It's not worth it, $100. But here I can risk at least 1,000. So if you took this with us, leave a like on the stream, W in the chat. And now I made money for the giveaway, guys. So yeah. Nice one, nice one. Nice trade. I don't know what that comment is. Let's go. Yeah, so we waited quite a while for that one. Delirious, huh? What time did we get triggered? 12:01. Yeah, it's a good position this. Nice volume. Finally some volume in London that continues in one direction. Exactly what we want. Wow. Maybe we should have left runners, huh? It's already 100 pip position here. 100 pip position we ran. I'm still in target 135. Don't be greedy, man. Tap the 1 hour, huh? I would say that's my full target would be this 1 hour. Maybe max 30 minute if it really wants to. $15 closing back in the range wasn't the problem. Did you hear what I said on stream when we analyzed it? I can explain after stream as well. Guys, we're gonna do the last giveaway before we head off stream. So let's go ahead and do a new giveaway. Let me just load it. So what do we want? We want random number or keyword? Which one, guys? Random number or keyword again? I think on random number. Choose a number from 1 to 1000, guys. Chat announcement. Configure settings. Select the random numbers to choose from. Let's see how this works. I haven't tried this before. So let's see how it works. So 1 to 1000. Alright, it's live. It will announce when someone guesses it. Too low, too high. So here's some hints, guys. 45 is too low. 999 is too high, guys. That's some hints. Here's some hints. I'm gonna give you guys some hints, guys. I'm giving you guys some hints. Look, 512 is too low. 644 too low. 345 too low. Giving you some hints, guys. 888 is too high. That's all the hints you get. Maybe I should have done 1 to 100, not 1 to 1000. Still no one guessed it. No one guessed it. Man, I think I should change the giveaway. No one got it yet. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the hints. We can see it. $1,100 guesses. Giving away $50,000. I'm not giving away $50,000. Let me take that back. Giving away 50k accounts today, 50k funded accounts. We have 1,300 guesses. They have to guess a number between 1 to 1,000. No one's got it yet. 1,400 guesses. Oh, someone got it. Nice, 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 nice. There we go. Congrats, congrats. The winner is Dark 855 is the number. 855, I guess. There's replied. So make sure you DM on Instagram, following of Instagram. We will verify your account and give you the giveaway. Congrats, congrats. We have to find what the number was, huh? What was the number we have to find? Oh, wait. There we go. Oh, I have to end this. So that was the winner. Yeah, it was 855. All right. Congrats, congrats. Congrats, guys. You should have held the trade, bro. I know. You should have fucking took the trade, bro. Why don't you come and trade for me then, Mr. Keyboard Warrior? Huh? Relax. I made my money, man. I said maybe a runner would be an opportunity, but I'm happy, bro. I got paid. NASDAQ was nasty, huh? Ooh, very nasty. Yeah, it's a big position, man. Wish I held. How much is 100 pip stop loss with a 0.2 lot? 200? Bro, that's nothing they pay you on futures for this, man. Nothing they pay you for on futures with this, bro. Also NAS then B on gold. Damn. Some of you guys got B. Wonder how. Did you just move? It's an optional B. No 1 minute structure. I wanted to see it, let it come, give it some room. Don't mind taking a little bit of a loss, you know, mental break even. But yeah, nice one. Tap the 4-hour support and that's it. So yeah, good positions today. Appreciate everyone showing up to stream as always. Make sure you leave a sub before you leave, a like, all that BS. It's okay, man. Many more wins ahead. Appreciate you all as always. Take care. Have a good rest of your day. Much love and peace. Hopefully see you guys soon. See you. Bye-bye.